Hello everyone and welcome to another Potatoes video. Awesome. Today we'll be covering Blutilities. You're probably thinking, what the is that? Don't worry, they're actually really simple and awesome. To break them down in the most basic explanation, it's firing blueprint events off in the editor. So you're probably thinking, well, what use have I got for that? Well, there's plenty. You can replace actors, you can get it to switch things together, which is pretty much exactly what I just said. You can get it to set properties for you, you can convert static meshes to instant static meshes. Basically, think of making Clippy from the old Microsoft products. Imagine making that, but without the nice little picture. So let's go ahead and create one, and I'll just explain as I go along. Now, I'm not sure if in this current project I have Blutility selected. Basically, in every blueprint, you can create a Blutility as it is. You can fire it in the editor by doing this. Hang on. Let's just say BP hello. Very elegant. Very nice. Right, so you can just literally go custom event, and you can say hi, and then you can, I don't know, what should we do? Let's spawn actor from class. Let's just have a, I wonder if cube shows up. Floating cube does. I don't know what that is. Let's pick what have I got for players in this project? No, is it called third person? Yeah, there we go, third person character. Let's pick him. Let's break this. Let's pick a box. So this will be fine. So this box is, let's check. So let's say the minimum is, if we go back now, random float in range. So the X, the minimum can be 2770, and I did that totally wrong. The minimum can be 270 and 2720. That's very confusing. That's fine. And the Y, let's say, what's the current Y? Let's go back a bit. Minus 170 and 520. So let's go minus 170 and then 520, and Z should be, let's make it 230, not 230. Right, so all you do to make a Blutility out of a normal blueprint is click on the custom event and then graph, call an editor. After that, drag it into the scene, and you'll see there's now a Blutilities box. Just click it, click your event name, and then run. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Awesome. Now it's a rave. Or is it a party? Who knows? Anyway, that's cool and all, but there's actually something extra you can do to take it to the next level. So if we go to edit, I believe it's under editor preferences. Experimental, is it under here? Yep. Then you see editor utility blueprints, Blutility. You're probably wondering what this does differently. Let's just let's just shut up and show you right now. So give it a click. There we go. And so now we're going to create a new blueprint class, and then I think you just type Blutility. There we go. And then select that, and then we call it Blutility. Goodbye. So what it's going to do is we're now instead going to do a custom event and call it start brain. There we go. And then on this start brain, we're going to set timer by handle. No, set timer by event. Sorry, that's the important part. Set timer by event 0.15 should do, and set it to looping. So basically, it's just a slower fake tick for us. And let's go ahead and right click here and promote to variable so we can call it later. Call that fake tick. Right, now here's the trick. What you're going to do is select start brain and call an editor, and now from this event pin create another custom event so they're connected. There we go, call it brain lol. Okay, So something's changed in 4.10, but I don't give a crap. That should be fine, touch wood, unless... Right, okay. So what I'm going to do is do it this way instead. Call it Brainer, tick it there, and then connect it there. So basically we've just tricked a way to call it in editor by creating the event separately. That was my bad. I guess that's changed in 4.10. Anyway, so this is now going to be our fake tick. So we're going to have a delay in it. Let's do a random delay. Let's not do it that way. Random delay in range from, let's say, 1 second to 5 seconds, and then we're going to spawn act. Well, actually, we'll just copy the exact same code as before. There we go. Nice and simple. And then we're also going to have a custom event called stop brain, and then we're literally just going to grab the fake tick, and then is it pause? Yeah, pause timer. No, I think you can just clear it. Yep, there we go. Clear timer, and apparently Cortana wants to listen to me. There we go. So, for some reason this only works doing it this way to create a blutility, but in theory, all we have to do now is drag it in the editor, select, I think you have to select start brainer, and it should be doing something. Let's try and figure out what's going on here. Oh, is it brainer first and then start brain? No, it's totally broken. That'll be why. Let's go ahead and stop brain. And then what we're going to do is remove the delay. Okay? So as you can guess, doing this fast is eventually going to kill the editor. But that's I'm just stupid, so let's start brainer and then start brain. As you can see, as if by magic, it's gonna keep doing this till the editor eventually crashes. But you can probably guess the uses here. I doubt you'll need, how many people have we got going now? I doubt you need 150 player characters in one space, but you know, you can extend this idea and then create some crazy good things with it. So yeah, basically that's all I wanted to show you. It's going to keep climbing, so I'm going to go ahead and stop it because I don't have a death wish. But yeah, be sure to experiment with blutilities, come up with some crazy shit. I'd love to see it as well, so send it to me. If you like the video, as always, just pop a like, because apparently that does something, and stay tuned for even more stuff. Thank you.